Centre plans underground rail tracks along Chicken's Neck to boost northeast connectivity. The Indian government plans to construct underground railway tracks along a 40-kilometer strategic corridor in West Bengal linking the northeast with the rest of India, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav said on Monday. The corridor, known as the Chicken's Neck, lies in northern West Bengal Siliguri region and spans about 20 to 22 kilometers. It is bordered by Nepal and Bangladesh, with Bhutan and China located a few hundred kilometers away. While addressing a conference on the union budget allocation for the Railway Ministry, Ashwini Vaishnav said there is a special planning for a 40-kilometer strategic corridor connecting the northeast with the rest of the country.
स्ट्रैटेजिक एरिया है, जो स्ट्रैटेजिक सेक्शन है करीब 40 किलोमीटर का, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स को पूरे देश के साथ जोड़ने वाला जो हिस्सा है, उस हिस्से के लिए भी विशेष प्लानिंग की गई है। 4 लाइन्स और अंडरग्राउंड लाइन की भी प्लानिंग की गई है, अंडरग्राउंड लाइन्स की भी प्लानिंग की गई है। तो एक तरीके से नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स के लिए कनेक्टिविटी का टोटली नया एक आयाम बनेगा, नया डायमेंशन बनेगा आने वाले समय में, और काम भी बहुत तेजी से चल रहा है नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट्स में।
Officials from the Northeast Frontier Railway confirmed that the underground line will run between the Tin Mile Hut and Rangapani stations, with one line extending towards Bagdogra, a key location for India's air defense mechanism. The tracks will be laid at a depth of 20 to 24 meters below the ground level in the plain area, said NFR General Manager Chetan Kumar Srivastava, noting the stretch's critical security importance. Currently, the corridor has a double-line track. NFR Chief Administrative Officer Hitendra Goyal said the stretch will be converted into a 4-line overground section, bringing the total to 6 lines, 4 overground, 2 underground, once the project is completed. Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma described the project as a major strategic breakthrough, noting that the corridor has been used as an intimidation tactic by anti-national forces for decades. In a post on X, Sarma credited Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Minister Vaishnav, saying the move addresses a long-standing strategic vulnerability which he suggested should have been addressed after 1971. The announcement comes amid concerns over China's influence in Bangladesh. Reports indicate China may be aiding Dhaka in reviving a World War II-era air base at Lal Munirhar near Siliguri corridor. The base, under the Bangladesh Air Force, has been inactive for decades. In May 2025, Bangladesh's interim government chief advisor, Professor Muhammad Yunus, described the country as the only guardian of the seas for India's landlocked northeastern states, raising strategic concerns for India's connectivity. Earlier, Sarma suggested exploring underground railway and roadways below the Chicken's Neck. He also recommended planning alternate routes bypassing the corridor via Bhutan to further reduce strategic vulnerability.